PayPal provides an easy to use and trusted way to sell products from your website. You will notice though that each time an item is added to the cart, the browser opens a new page and the user is required to click a button to return to your site. This is slow and not very user friendly. By adding Vibracart to your site, you can keep the user on your page as they add items to the cart. Let's update this page to use Vibracart, which is easy to do. Vibracart will work with your existing PayPal buttons or links, as long as they are normal buttons like this, and not PayPal hosted buttons. If you currently use PayPal hosted buttons, you can easily convert them anyway. To add Vibracart, you just need to paste in a small snippet to the head section of the page, and then another one right at the bottom of the page body. That's it, let's try it out. Notice that the buttons now open a pop-up cart, providing a much better user experience. It can be used on any number of pages across your site. There is also an optional widget, which remains on the page even when the cart is hidden, for easier user access. Instead of the widget, you can, if you prefer, display the number of items in the cart and the total amount, along with links to open the cart and check out. Vibracart is fully responsive, so works well on mobile devices too. If you prefer to have the cart embedded within your page instead of the pop-up, then that's also possible. As well as providing an easy to use and elegant replacement for PayPal's cart, Vibracart also adds a number of features not provided by PayPal. For example, you can have product images displayed in the cart, or require buyers to agree to your terms and conditions before checkout. Vibracart also provides cart-wide and item-based discounts as well as coupon codes. So for example, you could offer a $5 discount for orders over $25 with a coupon code, or a 2-for-1 offer on your latest products. Vibracart has many configuration settings and can be easily styled to match your site. If you sell downloadable products, then Vibracart integrates perfectly with LinkLock PayPal, providing seamless automatic delivery as well. To find out more, you can try the demos on our site, download the comprehensive PDF manual, or contact us if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.